In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Forms quiz link. By the end, you'll have a shareable link to your quiz that you can confidently send to students, coworkers, or anyone who needs to take it. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Forms. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already. Once you're in, you'll see your recent forms and quizzes. We're focusing on quizzes here, so look for the section or label that indicates quiz. If your screen shows a mix of items, use the search bar or switch to the quiz view so you're only seeing graded quizzes rather than regular forms. Next, open the quiz you want to share. In the example, it's called Animal Quiz, but you can select any quiz you've created. Clicking it opens the quiz editor where you can review questions, points, and settings. It's a good idea to scan your questions quickly to make sure everything is ready before you share. At the top of the quiz editor, look for the option labeled Collect Responses. This is the command that generates your shareable link. It usually sits along the top menu or toolbar. If you don't see it right away, expand your window or look for a Share or Collect Responses button depending on your layout. Go ahead and select Collect Responses. A panel will appear with sharing options. This panel is where you get the link that people will use to take your quiz. You may also see options that control who can respond, such as anyone with the link or only people in your organization. Choose the audience that fits your situation so respondents can access the quiz without running into permission issues. Now, locate the Copy Link button in the upper right area of that panel. You'll see a field with a URL and to the side the Copy Link control. This is the fastest way to put the quiz link on your clipboard. Click Copy Link. You should see a brief confirmation that the link has been copied. That's it. The quiz link is now ready to paste into your learning management system, an email, a chat message, or wherever you plan to share it. If someone reports they can't open the quiz, return to the Collect Responses panel and double-check the audience setting, then copy the link again. To recap, you went to Microsoft Forms, opened your quiz, used Collect Responses to access the sharing panel, and copied the link from the upper right corner. With that link, your respondents can start taking the quiz immediately. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!